Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I made over $9,500 in a single trade this morning in the Asia session. I provided the same setup for VIP. The trade idea was to look for a pump up at 8 p.m. for a short entry targeting to 755. And you can see a number of students took that setup. Here, this student made 170 pips, okay? And this student was able to short that for a 50 pip move down. This is what I've told students that I've now closed the trade at TP, and I'm going to walk you through this exact setup. Okay, I also provided a VIP edition weekly analysis video where I've given students the directional bias down to 2750. We've hit the first level to 755. So let me walk you through the setup itself. Okay, what we have here is breakout traders who have entered the market long from this high on Friday. Okay, so breakout traders have taken a long position when on Friday we break on the high of Thursday. Okay, so we have long traders in the market. Now, what's important here is on Friday we have taken the high of the week, okay, and started to show bearishness. So my directional bias is to the downside. Now, what I do know is on Monday, which is this day here, okay, which is today, on Monday the market will typically target a Friday liquidity pool. That could be the high of Friday back up here, or the low of Friday down here. And so the job becomes to identify which liquidity pool is Monday going to target. Is it going to be Friday's high, or is it going to be Friday's low? Well, directional bias is already to the downside based on the fact that we've already taken the high of the week on Friday, and my bias is to the downside. Okay, and so I'm already targeting the low of Friday as per my guidance to VIP at the start of the day. So this morning when I've come in, I've provided guidance to VIP, okay, that we are going to be targeting Friday's low, targeting minimum to 755, and we're looking for a pump up at 8 p.m. Okay, so I've given them the exact time of the entry, okay, and the target profit. Okay, so here we can see the market is pumping up right up at 8 p.m. That's 8 p.m. That is the entry into a bearish order block on a day where we're already biased to the downside because we've already taken out previous weekly high on the Friday prior to the Monday. Okay, and from that bearish signature pumping up at 8 p.m., the target is to 755, which is basically coming back down into long breakout traders who long the market on Friday, but coming back down into them. And the output of that trade is a nice more than $9,500 profit from that textbook setup, right? Pump up, okay, at 8 p.m. into the bearish signatures on the left for a move down to target, liquidity residing below from this pump up, okay? Now, this is why I can charge whatever I want to for my service, because folks who got in and are paying $97 per month, this is a 100x return on that investment, okay? This is a single trade in a single session, right? And they have paid $97 for the entire month to get these types of setups. Yes, the price now is a lot higher than that, but you still have an opportunity to get in, right? Because any fee per month is irrelevant because the net results are positive. So I invite you to join the VIP program so you can learn how I do this every single day, okay? Now, I know that for some of you, you're not able to afford that, and that's okay. That's why I do videos like this where you can learn the setups and try to identify these on your own. Now, this was some of my trades on TradingView, okay? I was short this market from Friday, and this particular trade that I've just walked you through is just my trade from this morning in Asia, right? Now, I do this full time, and I rarely show my full results, okay? But I'll show you that this is my result from trades from Friday and today. You can see on the left-hand side, every one of those has hit TP, okay? So you're learning from someone that does this day in, day out, okay? And the fee for the membership program is nominal, right? It doesn't matter how high I set it because the result is net positive, okay? That's the idea. Now, as I said, I know for some of you, you're not able to afford the monthly subscription fee to join the VIP program. So for you, I do these videos where you can learn how I traded those setups, okay? I walk you through the exact setup, right? You know exactly how I traded this. The difference in VIP is we do it live, okay, prior to anything printing, okay? So this was done live prior to this movement, right? Prior to getting this pump up today at 8 p.m. for this move down, I've provided my students the guidance as well as the VIP edition weekly analysis video, which has provided them the overall directional bias. And then on the day, I provide them guidance as well. Every single day, I provide them the directional bias. And then as the day evolves, I provide them with setups that I want them to learn from and engage with price, obviously while they're learning on a paper or demo trading account. And then I look at how students have engaged with those setups based on my guidance. And as I said previously, students are learning exactly the setup that I'm teaching them with these live signals. Okay, so as I said, that is the difference inside of VIP. The information is provided to VIP students in advance of those movements. Okay, and for those who are not able to join the VIP community, that's where my YouTube channel is going to help you, because I walk through the majority of those trades for you on YouTube after they have materialized. Okay, so go back and look at this chart on your screen on TradingView and try and mark up what I have drawn here. Okay, identify how the market here on Friday has taken the weekly high. Okay, so here on Friday, the weekly high is taken. Okay, the market's continued to move down, okay, throughout the day, right, and into Monday. And Monday we've pumped up into bearish signatures at the right time, that is 8 p.m., targeting the stops below the market from this pump up. Okay, so that is the premise of this short. What traders struggle with is identifying the directional bias, and that's where the VIP community is very important. Okay, because in the VIP community, I provide that guidance in advance, okay, with a weekly analysis video and guidance specifically on the day and as the day evolves throughout other sessions like London and New York. Okay, so that's the difference in VIP. And as I said, no matter what the fee is, it's nominal because the net result is positive, right? This is a 100x return on investment for those folks who jumped into the VIP program at the launch price of $97 per month. This is a single trade in a single session on one day, and they've got the entire month, right, to keep working through and taking advantage of all the different setups that I provide live inside of the VIP community. Okay, so again, the link to join the VIP community is in the description of this video below. Okay, I invite you to join. I will be limiting spots. Okay, there's only a few more left because I want to work with a very small focus group, because my goal is to make all of my students in my program successful traders. Now, as I said, I understand for some of you, you're not able to afford the joining fee, and that's okay. For you, continue to watch my YouTube channels where I provide breakdowns of these trades on a regular basis, as well as additional lessons throughout the week. And most of the time, I'm also posting a weekly analysis video. I haven't done one for the public YouTube community this week. It's only a VIP edition this week, but you've got plenty of other videos to learn from, and that I will continue to post for you to learn from. I hope this video is useful. I will now see you in a future video.